Hi learners, in this video we will be talking about writing module. Writing module in IELTS is not a very complex process. It's a very simple thing if you know how to plan it. In writing module, you have two tasks to complete. One is for academic learners, DI, data interpretation, where you have pie charts and graphs to complete. And for general candidates, you have letter writing to complete. However, in this lecture, I am not talking about task 1. There is a video related to that a little later, right after writing task 2. In this video, we will be talking about writing task 2. Writing task 2 is an essay writing. Essay writing is almost same for both academic and general candidates. General candidates need to write a little more with details and more imagination, more examples as compared to academic candidates. This is the only difference in writing. Now let us discuss what essay writing demands. I will take you back to the time where you completed your essay writing till your grade 12, till your college time. So you always have to keep in mind that essay writing is not a very complex thing. It is it is as simple as it was in your grade 12. But a little extra has to be added in writing task 2. We will be talking about this. The very first thing a candidate should keep in mind for essay writing is planning. It is very essential for all the candidates to understand what they are supposed to write about. If you haven't read your question well and you write something which is irrelevant, which is not being asked for, your scores will absolutely go down. For an example, if there is a question given in the exam that part-time jobs have a lot of benefits for university students, to what extent do you agree or disagree? And a candidate has understood that this is all about the advantages of part-time job. Here, your essay goes wrong. The question is not the advantages of a part-time job. The actual question is part-time job, how it is essential for university students. So make sure you have your keyword university students. So when you have this key phrase university students, if you are not adding this to your writing and the whole essay goes in favor of part-time job and just the advantages of part-time job, your essay will be off track completely. So make sure you read your question well, what is being asked for, and then plan your writing accordingly. The second important thing you must keep in mind if you intend to score well is wide variety of sentences and words. Students always have this myth in essay writing that the more difficult words they would write, the better they would be scored. This is absolutely a myth, nothing else. Examiner looks for wide variety of words. When I say wide variety of words, examiner does not look for repeated vocabulary. You need to check how many times you have repeated the word want in your essay. You have repeated the word help in your essay. You have repeated the word make, take, like in your essay. These are frequently used words, and when it comes to essay writing, we forget that our lines need to be very different and we are not supposed to repeat these words. So instead of writing want, if you write wish for, many students wish to go overseas. Not many students want. I am not saying writing want will be wrong, but repeating this more than 2-3 times will absolutely be wrong. So you need to work upon wide variety of words. Now let's say, you want to say something like this, that I want to do this course. Isn't it better if you write or speak something like that, I intend to do this course? You must figure out what would be the replacement of these repeated words. This will certainly enhance your scores. Next thing you have to keep in mind are connectors, linking words. Candidates need to be very good when they use their linking words. Linking words, you have always been using it for a long time, such as but, because, whereas. Make sure when you write IELTS essay, you need to work upon your good skills. Linking words should be really good. Linking words like despite, although, nevertheless, not only, but also, as like you are as good as I expected. Some formal connectors are required. You must have good revision of these linking words to just keep your score up and high. There are many other things to be taken care of, but these are important elements to keep in mind when you form or when you write your essay. Before I wind up, I would like to discuss that proofreading is one thing which can certainly improve your writing. Most of the candidates spend 40 minutes in writing. They have no time left going back and checking their essay. This is a big mistake. Big writers, editors, they also edit their work. They also, once they are done with their writing, they always go back and they check that what kind of errors they have committed. So when you get 40 minutes for essay writing, make sure you spare 10 minutes time for proofreading. What you need to check in proofreading? You need to check whether you have repeated the words want, help. You have 10 minutes time. Erase them, rewrite them. And in case your essay is not well punctuated, you have forgotten to apply full stop or comma right after connector, wherever it was required, go back and check, because these things really matter in writing. Writing is not only a test of essay. Writing in IELTS is a test of your grammar ability, your thought process, how wide you think about the topic, how relevant you think about the topic. And it is somewhere a test of your writing skills, what level of writing you maintain. Again, I'm repeating, your writing skills are not tested by the heavy words. Your writing is tested with unique idea of writing and relevant vocabulary. So this is something you must work upon. In the next video, I'll be talking about kinds of essays, agreement, disagreement, discuss both the views, or causes and effect. Till then, keep learning. Bye-bye.